Assalamu alaikum kids. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about genders. Do you know what this term means? Let me tell you. The word gender helps us to differentiate between males and females. I'll show you a few images now and you're gonna tell me if they are of males or females. Let's start. The first image is that of a girl. And a girl is, can you guess if a girl is a male or a female? Yes, a girl is a female. Okay, the next image is that of a boy. And a boy is male. Who's next? A policeman. A policeman is a male. Very good. The last image is that of a queen. A queen is, what do you think, male or female? Female. Very good. Now that you know the basics of genders, let us learn the different types of genders in detail. There are 4 different types of genders. The first one is masculine. Masculine. This category of genders is used for males only. For example, boy, man, uncle, prince, father, actor, lion, king, and fox. All of these nouns are males and they belong to the masculine category of genders. Now let us look at the second type of genders. The second type is feminine. Feminine. This type of gender includes females only. For example, girl, woman, aunt, princess, mother, actress, lioness, queen, and vixen. All of these nouns are females and they belong to the second category of genders, that is feminine. Feminine. Now that you know what masculine and feminine genders are, let me read you a few sentences and see if you can guess what gender do the underlined words belong to. The first sentence is, a child in my class is naughty. A child in my class is naughty. Can you guess if the child is masculine or feminine? No, it could be masculine and it could be feminine as well. We're not sure. Okay, now let us look at the second sentence. Yesterday, I visited a doctor. Yesterday, I visited a doctor. Can you tell if the doctor is masculine or feminine? No, again, we are not sure. It could be female and it could be male as well. Let us look at the third sentence. My cousin loves to eat pizza. My cousin loves to eat pizza. What gender does the word cousin belong to? Is it masculine or is it feminine? We don't know. We are not sure. We cannot tell. The last sentence is, my friend will meet me tomorrow. My friend will meet me tomorrow. Can you tell the gender of the friend? Is it a female friend or is it a male friend? No, it is not specified. So we are not sure. In all these sentences, we saw nouns that could be masculine or they could be feminine as well. These types of nouns belong to the third category of genders, and that is called common gender. Common gender. A common gender can be used for both males and females. For example, patient, teacher, doctor, astronaut, pilot, scientist, child, cousin, and baby. Now let us read a few more sentences and see what gender do the underlined words belong to. The first sentence is, I am sitting on a chair. I am sitting on a chair. What gender is chair? Is it female? No. Is it male? No, it's neither female nor male. Okay, the next sentence. Last night I read a book. Last night I read a book. What gender does the word book belong to? Is it male? No, it's not. Is it female? No, it's neither male nor female. The next sentence. The table is not clean. The table is not clean. Now, what gender does the word table belong to? Male? No. Is it female? Of course not. The last sentence now. Don't pick the flowers. Don't pick the flowers. What are flowers? Male? No. Female? No, they're not. So the words chair, book, table, and flowers neither are male nor female. They belong to the fourth category of genders, that is neuter. Neuter. A neuter gender includes all the words, all the nouns that are neither male nor female, and they're non-living things. For example, crayon, table, chair, pencil, plate, cup, computer, towel, fan. These are all non-living things. They are neither male nor female, and they belong to the category neuter. Neuter. Now let us revise the 4 different types of genders. The first one is masculine. Masculine. Masculine is used for males only. For example, boy, uncle, king. The second is feminine. Feminine. Feminine is used for females only. For example, girl, aunt, queen. The third category is common. Common. Common gender is used for both males and females. For example, doctor, student, and friend. The fourth category is neuter. Neuter. Neuter can neither be used for males nor for females, and it is used for non-living things. For example, pencil, flower, plate. Now you have learned the 4 different types of gender. Let me give you a few examples and see if you can figure out what gender do the underlined words belong to. The first example is, the policeman keeps us and our property safe. The policeman keeps us and our property safe. The 2 nouns are policeman and property. Can you tell what gender is a policeman and what gender is property? Take your time and answer. Okay, let us see if you guessed it right. Policeman belongs to the masculine gender and property belongs to the neuter gender. Let us read the next sentence now. The princess lives in a palace. The princess lives in a palace. The 2 nouns here are princess and palace. Can you tell what gender they belong to? If you guessed feminine for princess and neuter for palace, you're right. The next sentence is, the patients were treated in hospitals. The patients were treated in hospitals. Now let us see if you can tell what gender do patients and hospitals belong to. The patients belong to the common gender category and hospitals are neuter. Very good. Alright, now that you have learned 4 different types of genders, I want you to open page number 7 in your workbooks. It has a list of genders. There's a list of masculine, feminine, common, and neuter genders. I want you to go through the lists and it's gonna help you get familiar with different genders. That is all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about genders.